Ready to leave Prickly Bay. Back to 16. Long time in Prickly Bay. It was a good one. Finally, Skye under full sails again, heading through Grenada again. Actually, everywhere in the Caribbean, it's nice to have a hard bottom dinghy and at least a 15 horsepower engine, because it's quite a bit you have to go everywhere. So, you're going here with a 5 horsepower engine, takes you a while. But like this, thanks to Frank from Barra Group, you're flying. Don't laugh if it doesn't work, because all this what I'm doing now is only in my head. I never did it, it was only an idea. So I'm the first time really single-handed sailing full time. So let's see if it works or not.
Prepare the boat every time in the Caribbean, even in the Caribbean, from island to island as you're going offshore. A lot of things can happen, and yeah, then you're in the night, you're alone. You know what's a good thing about single-handed sailing is you can do whatever you want. You put a lifeline on, fine. You don't put it on, fine. You wear a life jacket, good. You wear a personal beacon, okay. If don't. It's your life, that's cool, you know. You don't have the responsibility of other people, that's fine. But on the other hand, to sail with a crew, you know, if something happens, you have a crew, you trust the crew, you rely on them. So now all this goes away and you're alone. So everything you do, it's on you. If you want to risk your life, perfect, it's your life, maybe it's your boat, maybe not, whatever, that's it, go for it. I personally love my life right now, like it is. So I try to not risk it too much. So I prepare the boat, I prepare myself, I prepare everything a little bit, and that's it. And I go. And what happens. You never know. If the ocean want to take you, he will take you. That's clear.
Yeah. It will take a while to get off the island, but then the wind will kick in, I'm sure. So I'm on the safety line and I'm ready to go.
Island just disappeared in the rain. So then I had a look to the east.
There is nothing better after a long, dark sailing night
sun comes out.
Here we are in Union Island. It was a long night, it was a hard night, but it was a fun night, so I really enjoyed it. It's different, of course, but at the moment I love it. By the way, all what I'm doing here and showing the video, this is not how it's supposed to be done, not how it's meant to be done, or whatever. This is how I do it. That's end of story. There is 1,000 ways to do it right. I just show you how I do it, and that's it. Guys, that's the end of the video. Yeah, I will try to make more videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also you can follow us on Facebook. I'm so tired now. So, thanks for watching, take care, and see you soon. First stop is checking in customs. Anyway, you can check out every time if you go somewhere, if they have Sea Clear or Easy Clear or something like this, then you can do this whole work on the internet, in the computer, in the internet, and then you just go there and they'll print out the stuff, and that's it. So you don't have to fill up or fill in forms and stuff. Makes it much easier. Not every island have it, but a lot of islands have it already. Okay, checking in and go to bed.